Introducing the Truke Buds Q1 True Wireless In-Ear Earbuds with mic. These buds come in black color. The box includes the Bluetooth earbuds, left and right, charging case, Type-C cable, user manual, warranty card, and 2 extra ear tips. The buds measure 6.7 by 4.7 by 2.8 centimeters and weigh 44 grams. These earbuds are made lightweight and have an IPX4 water-resistant rating for gym and outdoor use. These are wireless earbuds. The 10mm real copper driver speakers powered by AAC codec pump deep bass sounds. They also have a low latency of up to 85 milliseconds for gamers. The buds are compatible with all Android, Windows, and iOS devices. The Truke Buds offer a playtime of up to 10 hours on single charge and an additional playtime of up to 50 hours using the 400 mAh charging case for a total of up to 60 hours of playtime. They come with dual mic in each earbud for calling needs, and they allow access to Google Voice Assistant or Siri. Designed for gamers and fitness enthusiasts, also music listening and calling needs. The buds have a dedicated gaming mode and dedicated touch controls for ease of use. They also come equipped with environmental noise cancellation technology. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.